What I'm about to share with you exists in that quiet space between what's always been known and what you're finally ready to remember. This isn't new knowledge. It's ancient truth returning at the perfect moment. You are not separate from reality. You are consciousness experiencing itself through form. And that changes everything. Long before language divided the world into fragments, wise ones understood. Reality isn't a fixed stage you're trapped on. It's a living field of awareness that responds through you. What you've called the law of attraction isn't a self-help trick. It's the pulse of existence itself, the rhythm by which thought collapses into form. Every emotion you feel, every belief you hold, sculpts what appears next. You've searched everywhere, teachers, books, rituals, but the truth has always been breathing inside you. Between your thoughts lies a vast, unmapped territory, the quantum womb where all potential lives. This isn't metaphor, it's the actual law holding the universe together. And now, as your awareness turns inward, these truths rise like stars returning to the sky, timeless, luminous, and completely familiar. What follows isn't instruction, it's initiation. In a quiet town, a woman named Evelyn stood before her grandmother's mirror each morning, reciting affirmations that rang hollow. Her dreams stayed out of reach, like constellations she could see but never touch. One day the mirror cracked. In that break she saw the truth. The flaw wasn't in the glass. It was in her fractured self-perception. Your outer world doesn't reflect your words. It reflects your deepest vibration. When your spoken desires clash with your inner state, reality responds to the stronger frequency. Evelyn's shift began not by forcing change outside, but by cultivating it within, feeling the reality of her fulfilled desires until the mirror began reflecting who she was becoming. This is why repetition without embodiment creates nothing. The universe doesn't listen to your vocabulary. It hears your frequency, like a radio between stations. If your emotional state broadcasts static while your words declare peace, you stay stuck in noise. True alignment happens when your entire being resonates with what you speak. Speak your name slowly. Feel its vibration in your chest. That resonance, not the syllables, is what shapes your world. In a marketplace, Clara gathered crystals and charms, searching for the law. An old woman handed her tea and said, "There's only one law, awareness. Whatever you truly recognize as real, your reality must reflect." A girl named Maya crossed a stream not by calculating each step, but by trusting her certainty, stepping only where stones rose to meet her feet. She wasn't acting on blind faith, but on unshakable alignment. Your awareness isn't passive, it's participatory. Recognize truth deeply, and the universe builds around it. Your emotions aren't distractions, they're your divine compass. Joy signals alignment, contraction signals course correction, like Alexandra's heart-pointing compass. Your feelings always show the path of authenticity. Each morning, place your hand on your heart and ask, "Do I feel open or closed?" Follow openness, even if logic disagrees. Desire isn't selfish. It's the universe dreaming through you. Like a seed yearning for sunlight, your longing is destiny speaking. Don't bury it. Nurture it. Each evening, name 3 natural desires, not as demands, but as sacred acknowledgements of the divine current moving through you. Louisa gripped her manifestation journal like a shield, demanding timelines. The harder she controlled, the more life slipped away. Then she remembered the fisherman Xavier, exhausted. He released his net, and it filled with fish. Not by quitting, but by trusting the current. What you seek is seeking you. Whisper, it's already arranged. Feel the relief. That relief is your alignment. Nora didn't just sketch her dreams, she breathed life into them. Her drawings pulsed back at her. Imagination is the bridge between potential and form, but most visualize from lack. I don't have this yet. True creators live inside the vision, feeling its reality now. Don't picture outcomes. Immerse in the feeling of your desire fulfilled. For just 5 minutes, become that energy. Beatrice wrote gratitude lists. but her heart grew heavier. Forced thanks creates resistance. True gratitude is effortless overflow, like Sophia's music, which moved hearts only when played from appreciation, not perfection. Recall one simple joy from your day. Whisper, enough. Feel abundance in what's already here. Hazel thought the universe ignored her until traffic lights turned green. Strangers held doors and timing aligned. This isn't luck, it's synchronicity, life responding to your openness. In confusion, whisper, show me the easiest way. Then listen. The first gentle nudge is your answer. Marjorie avoided mirrors and dismissed praise, shrinking her world. Then she saw light in her grandmother's tarnished glass and realized, even worn, it still reflects. How you treat yourself becomes the template for all experience. Each morning, stand before a mirror. Speak your name with tenderness. Vow, as I treat myself, so shall life treat me. Ivy frantically arranged her stall, scaring away customers. The merchant said, the harder you chase, the faster it flees. Abundance flows through least resistance. Your role isn't to force, it's to hold the vibration. Palms up, whisper, I allow what aligns to find me. Calvin had a perfect business model, but lifeless. The master asked, where is the feeling of your success? Emotion is the raw material of creation. Before planning, feel the emotional essence of your goal. Saturate in it, then act. Sylvie envied others' luck until the merchant said, fortune meets prepared hearts. Rain falls on all, but only those with open vessels receive. At dawn, declare, good things are already on their way to meet my readiness. Dorothy's impatience burned her bread. The elder said, the bread knows its time. Rushing sand fear. Trust. Alignment. What's yours cannot miss you. Whisper, right timing is evidence of right unfolding. June's dreams kept shattering until she saw every no refined her yes. Like a sculptor guided by marble's resistance, contrast shapes your clarity. In struggle, say, this too refines the masterpiece called me. Harold cursed betrayals, until the mystic revealed. Soul-level agreements draw these lessons for your growth. Patterns repeat until you see them, then you're free to choose anew. At twilight, declare, I release all unseen agreements that no longer teach through love. Irene clutched coins in fear, and money slipped away. The river flows to those who appreciate its gift. In any transaction, whisper, circulation equals trust. Milton kept attracting wounded partners because he vibrated unavailability. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. Write a love letter to yourself. This calibrates your frequency for true connection. Pearl's flame flickered between hope and doubt, creating mirage-like results, steady belief, explosive faith. Tend your inner light like a lighthouse keeper. When doubt arises, gently say, I adjust my light to full again. Floyd chased future joy and missed today's abundance. Creation happens now. Tomorrow's garden grows from today's attention. Mid-task, pause and whisper, only this moment is real. Let it be enough. Winnie asked, who is manifesting? Answer, consciousness, experiencing itself through you. You're not separate from source. You're the ocean being the wave. Gaze at a candle. Whisper, the light and I are one flame. Oscar strained until collapse. Then he learned, true power is alignment, not force. Like a sailor adjusting sails, effortless motion through universal currents. When forcing, ask, what if I trusted the wind? Daisy resented critics until she saw they held mirrors to her unhealed places. At sunset, honor a challenger. I honor the lesson you carry for me. Roscoe's daytime struggle ceased when he surrendered at night. While you sleep, your subconscious reshapes reality. Before sleep, As I rest, my universe aligns in my favor. Edna sought silence and found it between breaths. That still point is where all creation begins. Rest in the pause between inhale and exhale. That space is infinite. Grover saw reality flicker, apples red, then golden. Infinite timelines exist. Your attention selects which you inhabit. Sense lighter, brighter versions of now. Step into them, effortlessly. Lahi's garden wilted from her complaining. Words are vibrational blueprints. At dawn, declare aloud, I speak light into this day. Silas's prayers formed invisible lattices, sacred scaffolding for manifestation. Persistence isn't begging, it's completing the energetic architecture. Visualize golden threads weaving a luminous grid around your desire. Birdie stepped back from her storm of thoughts and found calm. You are not your mind. You are the sky holding the clouds. Watch thoughts arise. Greet each with, not me. Caleb stopped seeking and realized he was the source all along. You aren't learning to manifest. You're remembering you are manifestation itself. Whisper, I am awareness, dreaming beauty into being. You've always been what you sought. The mirror never lied. It simply showed your dominant state. Now, manifestation isn't striving. It's radiating your true nature. If this resonated, watch it again at dawn. Share it with someone ready to wake up. And if you're called to go deeper into how your nervous system either blocks or broadcasts these frequencies, watch my video, Why You Can't Manifest Anything If You Don't Reset Your Nervous System First. Before you go, drop one word below that captures the energy you're embodying right now. This isn't just a comment. It's your signature in the quantum field. You are the universe remembering itself. And now, you know,